What if some earthquakes are caused by pulling oil out of the earth? It sounds wild, right? But it isn't just conspiracy, it's backed by science. When we drill deep into the earth and remove massive amounts of oil, gas, or even groundwater, we mess with underground pressure systems that have been stable for millions of years. This process can weaken rock layers, cause land to even sink, and in some cases trigger earthquakes. In places like Oklahoma, earthquakes used to be rare, but after intense oil drilling and wastewater injection began, they had hundreds of small earthquakes a year. Even scientists admit we might be literally shaking the planet by draining its insides. So maybe oil isn't just Earth's blood, maybe it's what's keeping